Geometry U10, perimeter of polygons with inscribed circles. What an inscribed circle is just exactly that. The circle is inside another polygon, which would be a triangle, a square, a rectangle, anything like that. And so, oops, undo. Okay. And it says find HI. And HI is right here. Now remember what we learned in, I think it was U9, about tangents. The green triangle is touching tangentially to the circle. That's why it's inscribed, okay? And so if you remember from a tangent, if this is 9 and it meets at point F, then this is 9 also, okay? So if different color, if this is 12 and this is 9, then GH is going to be 3. And if GH is 3, then HI is 3, so your answer is 3. Okay, so this is 6, so this is 6. All of this is 16, so all of this is 16. Since this is 6, this is 10, so this is 10. And since this is 13, then this is going to be 3, and that's going to be 3. And we're looking for KP, and KP is right here, so it is 3 also. What is RS? RS is right here. And so let's see what we have. So this is 18, so this is 18. All of this is 24, so this is 6. So this is 6. All of this is 22, so that is 16. So RS is 16. Add and subtract. Add and subtract. What is the perimeter? Now, what does perimeter mean? Perimeter means add all of the sides up. And we have 3 of the 4 sides. I just need to figure out how much this is to be able to add to 19 to get all of that other stuff out. So if this is 19, then this is 19. And if the whole thing is 37, then that is 18. So this is 18. And since the whole thing is 35, that is 17. So that is 17. And if the whole thing is 28, then that is 11. And that is 11. Since this is 11 and this is 19, then the whole thing is 30. So 30 plus 37 plus 35 plus 28, 13, 7, 20, 9, 13, 130. What is the value of this? Okay, so if this is 6, then this is 6. If the whole thing is 15, then this is 9. So this has to equal 9. So S minus 3 needs to equal 9. So we add the 3, and S would be 12, because 12 minus 3 is 9. What is the perimeter? So we're going to add all of these up again. To add all of them up, I guess I need to figure out what A is first. So let's see. Okay. Well, if this is 8, then this is 8. If this is 5, then this is 5. If this is 9, then this is 9, because all of them equal each other, right? The tangent parts of it. So what about these two? Well, they are tangent to the same point, so they equal each other. That's a 1A, so I'm going to subtract the 1A. Bring down the 7, bring down the equals. 10 minus 1 is 9. Bring down to the negative 2. Add the 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. Bring down the equals. Bring down the 9a. Divide by 9. Divide by 9. And our a equals, 1. I almost thought that was the answer, right? But at the very beginning, we were asking for the perimeter. So this is 13. This is 14, which is 27. If a is 1, then 10 times 1 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. So this whole thing is 8. So this side is 17, which is 44. If this is 8, then this is 8. So the whole thing is 16. So we have 60. And what is QU? So I'd just want how long that side is. If this is 10, then this is 10. And these two equal each other. So 23b equals b plus 22. Subtract the b and get 22b equals 22. Divide by 22. Those cancel out. Divide by 22 and that equals 1. So b equals 1, but that's not the question. I needed b to be able to figure out how much this is. So 23 times 1 is 23. So this side is 23. This is 10. So 23 plus 10 is 33.